Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an extraordinary journey to explore the secrets behind Thailand's beloved dish Thai fried chicken. Get ready to discover some lesser-known facts and techniques that make this crispy, flavorful delight truly extraordinary. Thai fried chicken, known as Khai Thad, has a captivating history that dates back centuries. It is believed to have originated from the Chinese Thai community, who brought their culinary techniques to Thailand. Over time, the dish evolved, incorporating Thai spices and flavors, becoming the irresistible treat we love today. Interestingly, Thai fried chicken's roots lie in the fusion of Chinese and Thai culinary traditions. The Chinese brought their expertise in frying techniques, which formed the foundation for this iconic dish. The Thai people then added their unique blend of herbs and spices to create the mouth-watering flavor profile we cherish today. Now, the key to the delectable taste of Thai fried chicken lies in the secret marinade. Traditionally, a mixture of garlic, coriander roots, white pepper, oyster sauce, and fish sauce is used to infuse the chicken with a burst of flavors. Let's not forget the most crucial ingredient, the aromatic Kaffir lime leaves, which give the chicken a uniquely Thai touch. According to local folklore, the essence of these leaves is believed to ward off bad spirits and bring good luck, making Thai fried chicken not only a culinary delight but also a symbol of protection and prosperity. The secret to achieving that irresistible crispy texture is the double frying technique. First, the chicken is deep fried at a lower temperature to ensure even cooking. Then, it's taken out to rest for a short while. Afterward, it's fried again at a higher temperature to achieve the signature crunchiness while sealing in the flavors. Timing plays a critical role in perfecting Thai fried chicken. This attention to detail ensures each piece of chicken is cooked to perfection. Did you know that Thai fried chicken comes in various regional variations across Thailand? In the south, you'll find Khai Thad Hat Yai, known for its extra crunchiness and bold use of spices. In the northern region of Thailand, chefs take Thai fried chicken to the next level by infusing the marinade with a blend of exotic herbs, such as lemongrass, galangal, and holy basil. This infusion not only elevates the flavors but also imparts a mesmerizing aroma to the dish, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. No Thai fried chicken feast is complete without its perfect accompaniments. Sticky rice, known as khao nu, is a popular choice to balance the flavors. Add some spicy dipping sauces, like the classic Nam Jim Jiao, or the tangy Nam Prik Noom, and you've got an explosion of taste that will keep you coming back for more. Thailand's love for dipping sauces is evident in the multitude of varieties that can be paired with Thai fried chicken. From sweet and spicy to tangy and savory, each region boasts its unique sauce to complement the chicken's flavors. The art of creating the perfect sauce has been passed down through generations, ensuring that every bite of Thai fried chicken is a flavor adventure. From being featured in famous Thai movies and TV shows to becoming a must-try dish for tourists visiting Thailand, this crispy sensation has won the hearts of many worldwide. Throughout the years, Thai fried chicken has become a cultural icon, appearing in various forms of media, from food blogs and vlogs to TV commercials and travel documentaries. Its popularity in pop culture has undoubtedly contributed to its global recognition and appeal. The vibrant street food scene in Thailand is incomplete without Thai fried chicken. Walk through the bustling markets, and you'll find countless vendors expertly preparing and selling this delightful dish. It's a true representation of Thai culinary passion and ingenuity. Many Thai fried chicken vendors have honed their skills for years, moving from one street corner to another, creating an itinerant culinary experience for locals and travelers alike. Thai fried chicken comes with a wide spectrum of spice levels, catering to all taste preferences. While some enjoy the fiery heat that sets their taste buds ablaze, others prefer a milder, more approachable flavor. The variety of spice levels ensures that Thai fried chicken remains an inclusive delight for everyone to enjoy. Thai fried chicken has crossed borders and influenced the culinary world. In various countries, you can find fusion dishes, combining the beloved Thai flavors with local cuisines. From Thai fried chicken tacos to sandwiches, the possibilities are endless. Did you know that some chefs have even experimented with unexpected fusion dishes? Imagine Thai fried chicken sushi rolls or Thai fried chicken pizza. These creative interpretations show the versatility of Thai cuisine and how it continues to captivate taste buds worldwide. Now, it's time for you to try making this heavenly dish at home. We've got a simplified version of the recipe with all the essential steps and ingredients. Achieving the perfect crispiness involves patting the chicken dry before marinating to reduce excess moisture. Additionally, using a combination of rice flour and all-purpose flour creates an even crunchier coating, elevating the dish to a new level of indulgence. And that brings us to the end of our Thai fried chicken adventure. We hope you enjoyed uncovering the lesser-known facts about this beloved Thai dish. Remember, whether you're enjoying it on the bustling streets of Thailand or cooking it in the comfort of your own kitchen, Thai fried chicken is sure to win your heart. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting food journeys. Until next time, happy cooking!